Here is how to print from Canva. So first, go ahead and open canva.com. Then after open any design on Canva, click on share in the top right corner of your screen. Then after select download, choose PDF print instead of PDF standard or any other options available. Then after select the pages you want to print. You can choose all pages or select individual pages as well. Then after, go ahead and select download, which is highlighted in purple color. Wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to download. And once it is downloaded, open the PDF, go to the print option within the PDF viewer in the top right corner of your screen. Then select your paper size and printer and then print. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.